Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best meat resting rack is probably one of the most underrated tools in any kitchen, especially for those who love to grill, smoke, or roast meats. This simple yet effective device allows your perfectly cooked steaks, roasts, and poultry to rest properly, resulting in juicier, more tender, and flavorful meals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of meat resting racks, exploring why they're essential and how to choose the perfect one for your cooking needs. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel Cooling Rack. This cooling rack is made of professional-grade stainless steel. It features a sturdy wire grid and smooth edges for even cooking and cooling. It's designed for superior performance. Cleaning is a breeze with this rack, as it's 100% stainless steel and dishwasher safe. You won't have to worry about rust or flaking, ensuring it lasts for years. This versatile rack is perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, and more, even in the oven. It can handle high temperatures, making it ideal for all your culinary creations. Designed to fit quarter-sheet pans, this rack is a great addition to your bakeware. Its dimensions make it a perfect fit for your existing pans. Each rack comes with a free recipe ebook. Try it out and bake like a pro for a lifetime with this amazing product. What we like. This rack is built with heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a rack that can handle high temperatures and is easy to clean, you should consider this one. What people say. 2 in a pack, sturdy and heavyweight for durable use so far. We use it like a broiler pan rack as well as bacon, roasting, and cooling and on top of our grill. It perfectly fits a quarter-sheet baking pan and our 11 by 13 roaster. I've used them to bake all kinds of different things like meat, baked goods, vegetables, egg rolls and tons of other stuff. I use them as cooling racks, and I always wash them in the dishwasher, and when I got these I was looking for racks that were strong and sturdy, and that I could put in the dishwasher without having to worry about them rusting, and these get AA++. They don't warp or anything, they are very sturdy. They can be used for many different purposes, and one of the best things for me is that they don't rust not even a single tiny speck. The rack is very sturdy and does not warp when heated as many other racks do. I like the fact that it is raised high enough above the baking sheet that foods do not lie in a pool of grease. Fits nicely inside my baking sheet. Number 4. Hiware 8.5x12 Stainless Steel Cooling Rack. This cooling rack is made of food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The sturdy grid and support feet provide excellent stability, preventing any tilting or spills. Cleaning is a breeze with this rack, as it's completely dishwasher safe. Even if you prefer hand washing, it's easy to clean. Just soak it after use and use a brush to remove any residue. The design features raised feet for better air circulation, making your food crispier. The grid spacing is optimized to maximize air contact while preventing food from falling through. This design ensures your food won't get strange shapes. This rack is oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile. You can use it for baking, roasting, and grilling. It's perfect for creating crispy crusts on various foods. Measuring 8.5 by 12 inches, it fits perfectly inside a quarter-sheet pan. It's ideal for family dinners, parties, or use in restaurants and bakeries. It's a convenient and practical addition to any kitchen. What we like. This rack features a unique design that promotes better air circulation, making your food crispier. It's also oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility in your cooking. If you like crispy food and need a rack that can handle high heat, this is the perfect choice. What people say. As described. Well made, sturdy and useful. Well made, sturdy. I use a piece of parchment paper on top to make cleanup extra easy. The sheet is baked on, so not wasteful. They work great and are made of sturdier material, definitely more robust than some of the racks I've used in the past. Number 3. Checkered Chef Baking Sheet Pan and Cooling Rack. Introducing the perfect combo for your cooking needs. This aluminum cookie sheet and pan rack set is ideal for healthier, drip-free meals or baking your favorite treats. It's a must-have for any kitchen. This stainless steel sheet pan rack is designed for any situation. Whether it's in the oven or cooling down some cookies, it's built to last. It's a reliable addition to your baking tools. Say goodbye to burnt bottoms with this baking tray set. The superior heat conductivity and rolled edges prevent warping. This ensures even baking every time. The large wire baking rack and sheet pans are designed to work perfectly together. The pan is 18 by 13 inches, while the rack is 17 by 12 inches, providing a perfect fit. They are also great separately. Both the oven rack and cookie sheets are machine washable. This saves you time and effort, giving you more time to enjoy your creations. Cleaning up is a breeze. What we like. This set includes both a baking sheet and a cooling rack, providing a complete solution for your baking needs. The pan is designed to prevent warping, ensuring even cooking. If you are looking for a convenient and easy to clean set, you should consider this one. What people say. The Checkered Chef baking sheet and rack set solves the problem of the bacon sitting in the grease. This product is sturdy and very well made. The aluminum half-sheet pans provide excellent heat conductivity, so you can finally say goodbye to burnt bottoms. Number 2. TeamFar stainless steel baking tray and rack set. This baking set is made of pure stainless steel, ensuring no harmful chemicals leach into your food. It's a healthy choice for you and your family. The baking tray features a mirror finish to prevent sticking, and smooth edges for safety. The cooling rack fits perfectly inside, preventing spills. Built to last, the baking pan is made with thick, durable material. The roasting rack is also sturdy, ensuring it will serve you for many years. Cleaning is simple, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. The set is designed for convenience, saving you time and effort. Use the rack for baking bacon, wings, or vegetables. The pan and rack can be used together or separately, offering versatility in your kitchen. What we like. This set is made of pure stainless steel, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food. The mirror finish surface reduces sticking, and it's easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. If you are health conscious and want an easy to clean option, you should consider it. What people say. The baking sheet and rack feel solid and well made. The stainless steel does not warp in the oven and it heats evenly. I used it for cookies and roasted vegetables and both came out perfectly. The rack fits the pan exactly and is great for cooling or cooking food that needs airflow. Cleanup is simple and everything comes out of the dishwasher looking new. Substantial stainless steel construction. Easy to clean, use round plastic scrubber and be sparse with harsh powders. Most residue comes out with a good soap soaking. You don't need a big pan for a couple of pieces of fish. This size allows the heat to encircle the pan. My oven employs, optional, convection, and it works well with that too. Heavy construction prevents warping. Cleans very easily, is great for cookies. Great for oven broil cooking of chicken, beef, pork, or anything you want the fat to drain off. Nice. Put a little water in it for 20 min. Soak the bottom after you use it, then it comes clean nicely. Number 1. Ultra Cuisine Quarter Sheet Pan with Rack Set. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine Quarter Sheet Pan with Wire Rack Set. This dynamic duo is perfect for all your baking, roasting, and cooling needs. Use them together or separately, the possibilities are endless. Cleaning up is a breeze with this set. The cooling rack is dishwasher safe, and the baking sheet is easily hand washable. Even if discoloration occurs, it won't affect the product's performance or safety. This quarter sheet pan is built with durable, food-safe aluminum. It's warp-resistant and rust-resistant, ensuring it will last for years. The reinforced steel rim prevents warping. The included baking rack is made of 100% stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust or flaking. It's dishwasher and oven safe, offering superior quality and longevity. Bake like a pro with Ultra Cuisine. You'll also receive a free recipe ebook with your purchase, featuring over 100 delicious recipes. Get ready to elevate your culinary creations. What we like. This set includes both a baking sheet and a stainless steel rack, providing a complete solution for your baking needs. The rack is made of 100% stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. If you are looking for a complete, durable, and easy-to-clean set, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice quality and great smaller size. The feet on the rack are only an inch, but higher than most and keep the food out of the grease and allows for good air circulation. Cooks meat better. Easy to clean. Perfect for steaks in the oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.